Sunrise, reach for the morning. Big stretch, a brand new day. Bright eyes, my heart is soaring.
Ako, iti-take ko yung credit sa pag-iisip ng Astrid. Kasi una ko siyang nabasa sa Crazy Rich Asians, sa libro. Tapos, yung Olivia, saan nang galing?
Wala. Para hindi lang siguro ma-hit sa
Sa
NBI.
NBI.
Give me some more of this sort of feeling. Can't get enough of this good, 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 good thing. Living
Buti ka mo, hindi lalaki yan si
Tsaka,
Astrid. Lebron
kasi
sana
Lebron
pangalan
James.
nito.
Lebron James.
Lebron sana pangalan na ito.
of this good, 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 good thing. So sweet, a warm drop of honey keeps rolling off your lips.
Ako, favorite ko kay Astrid. Sobrang same sila ng personality ng daddy niya. Sobrang seryoso. Titingnan ka lang niya ng matagal. I-observe ka niya ng matagal bago siya mag-react sa'yo.
How far we can go. Give me some love. Give me some more of this sort of feeling. Can't get enough of this good, 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 good thing. Living it up. Lost in the rush, yeah, I can't believe it.
Happy birthday, Astrid! Welcome to the Christian world. We love you!
I might just jump through the ceiling. Good, 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 good thing. Dance on the tip of my toe. Good, 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 good thing. Let's get wrapped up in the feeling. Good, 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 good thing. Let's see how far we can go. This good, 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 good thing.
We are brave, we are free, nothing stopping you and me.
Actually, siya yung pinapili namin. May dalawang picture kami pinakita kay Astrid, di ba? Yung Filipiniana team or yung
Candyland.
pink Candyland. Lagi niyang pinupuntahan yun.
Ginaganyan niya parang yung Filipiniana.
O, ewan ko baka kaliwete lang siya. Kaya puro kaliwa sa Pilipinas.
Nothing can hold us back, we can have our fun. Our fun, underneath the sun.
Hello, Astrid! Sana lumaki ka na mabait, masipag at marunong. Hindi magsasawa si Lola at si Lolo na mag-alaga sa iyo. Happy birthday, Astrid! Welcome to the Christian world. We love you.
Underneath the
Hi Astrid! Happy birthday! And welcome to the Christian world. Love ka lagi ni Ninang at wag nang maligalig ha! Love you!
Make a mark in pinkest town red. Take a dive into the blue. See the world, make a move.
Wish ko sa'yo is maging healthy ka lang hanggang tumanda ka. Mahalin mo kami pagtanda namin. Galingan mo mag-English pagtanda. Huwag kang gumaya sa daddy mo. Hindi magaling mag-English. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Mahal na mahal ka ng lolo at lola mo.
Underneath the sun.
Hello, Astrid! Apo, love you! Happy birthday! Happy baptism! We love you! Wah!
Hello Astrid, naimbag nga panagkasangay mo.
Underneath the
Happy birthday, Astrid! Love na love ka namin ni Daddy. And I wish... Okay, I love you too. I wish na you grow up na maayos, magalang sa mga lolos and lolas, always thankful sa mga tao, and always thankful sa lahat ng blessings na dumarating sa atin. Thankful and appreciative.
Happy birthday, Astrid! Welcome to the Christian world.